Here I have Pentagram Eon Prix 2 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. First of all, let's start by tapping apps icon. Let me find and select the settings right here. From the left bar, let's scroll down and choose the language and input. It's located under personal tab right here. Let's choose it. Let's select language from the top of the screen right here. And here you should find the full list of available languages that you can use on this device. In my case, let me just switch my language from English to Spanish, so let's tap on Español. And as you may notice, the whole list of settings and also applications are in Spanish right now. Let me show you the application. And if you would like to go back to previous version, to the English one, let's find and select Ajustes. Choose Idioma y entrada de texto. Choose Idioma one more time. And from the following list, let me choose English, for instance, from United States. The device is switching the languages. And that's it. Right now everything is in English. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.